Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Somerton Primary and Infant School up against Irwin Primary, and they're both from St. James. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the coin toss and Somerton Primary 1 decided to go first, so we begin with Somerton Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have that time on the clock and begin with Bible knowledge. Somerton, how many brothers did King David have?
7.
Correct. Irwin, who was the father of King David? Question passes to Somerton. Would you like to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
Jesse.
That is correct. Somerton, still with you. Science. What is the name for a consumer that eats both plants and animals?
Omnivores.
Correct. Irwin, what is the name for a consumer that eats flesh only?
Carnivore. Carnivore.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Somerton, who is the Minister of Transport and Mining?
Audley Shaw.
Correct. Irwin, who is the Minister of Local Government? Question passes to Somerton. Would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Desmond Mackenzie.
That is correct. Still with you, Somerton, for English language. Spell extravagant.
Extravagant.
Correct. Irwin, spell precise.
Presies.
Incorrect. Precise. We move on to television. Somerton, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup are residents of which town in the Powerpuff Girls cartoon? Question passes to Irwin. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Townsville. Still with you, Irwin. Buzz Lightyear is a character in which animated movie?
Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Correct. General knowledge, Somerton. What is the capital of Canada?
Toronto.
Incorrect. It's Ottawa. Irwin, what is the capital of Germany? Would you like to try, Somerton?
No, thank you.
It's Berlin. Social studies. Somerton, which of the following is not a mountain range in the Caribbean? Is it A, Mount Hillaby, B, the Northern Range, or C, the Himalayan Mountains?
The Himalayan Mountains.
Correct. Irwin, which of the following is not in Central America? Is it A, Belize, B, Costa Rica, or C, Chile?
Costa Rica.
Incorrect. It's Chile. Music. Somerton, what is the stage name of Jamaican singer Orville Burrell? Question passes to Irwin. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Shaggy. Still with you, Irwin. What is the stage name of Jamaican singer David Brooks?
Guys, stop.
Am I allowed to pass the question to Somerton? Yes. Somerton, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Okay, and the answer would have been Movado. And that's the end of the first section, and the scores are Somerton Primary on 7 and Irwin Primary on 2. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.